Welcome to another new video editing tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use an animated black bar like a movie in Premiere Pro. You can see that I will use black bar in this video. In the beginning, click on the window from the menu bar. Click on Effect. Go to the Effect search box. Here type crop. Now drag the crop effect and drop it on your video. Go to crop from effect control. Click on the top toggle animation. Next, click on the bottom toggle animation. You can see that 2K frames are created. Now move 1 second away from this 2K frame. Click on the top from the crop section. Increase the top size to 14%. Then click on the bottom. Increase bottom size to 14%. You can see that 2 more keyframes have been created. Our work is done. Now play the video and check it. So we can see that our animated black bar has been created. Thanks for watching the video.